In this video, we are going to demonstrate a fundamental skill for N26 account holders: how to easily transfer money from your N26 account to another bank. Whether it's paying bills or sending money to friends, we've got you covered. Before we jump into this essential banking tutorial, let's make this video interactive. Share your thoughts, money-saving tips, or any financial queries you have in the comments section below. If you find this video helpful, support us by subscribing to Media Magnet Guide, hitting that notification bell, and giving this video a thumbs up. And here's an exclusive offer. If you haven't signed up for an N26 account yet, use my referral link in the description to create an account and streamline your financial journey. Transferring money from your N26 account to another bank is straightforward. Follow these steps. Step 1. Open the N26 app on your mobile device and log in if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the Money Transfer or Send Money section. This is where you'll initiate the transaction. Step 3. Choose the option for transferring to another bank or external account. Step 4. Enter the recipient's bank account details, including the account number and bank's routing or IBAN number. Step 5. Specify the amount you want to transfer. Step 6. Review the transaction details to ensure accuracy. Step 7. Confirm the transaction by authorizing it through your preferred method, such as a PIN or biometric authentication. And there you have it. The money is on its way to the recipient's bank account. Transferring money from your N26 account to another bank is a crucial skill that makes managing your finances a breeze. We value your engagement, so please share your thoughts, money-saving strategies, or any financial challenges you've overcome in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable. Plus, if you haven't joined N26 yet, use my referral link in the description to create your account and experience the future of banking. Explore more tech tutorials and financial insights on mediamagnetguide.com. It's your resource for staying on top of the latest in the world of tech and finance. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.